All right, so if we go into SetBuilder, let's open up a set. We want to add some documents to it. So select from workspace. So the thing that I've found always annoying here is that there's no ability to see, there's no list view, okay? So if we're in regular NetDocs now, there is a list view that we can select, this button here that will toggle this to show me everything or show me everything in folders. So that does not exist here. So the way that we've gotten around it is I've created this all documents and emails. It is a save search. So if we open this up, that's every document and that's every email in NetDocs. And we can toggle by last modified date. We can do ascending or descending. So the reason we put that in there is so that we can get everything when we're creating a set, because that was always my little pet peeve here. So if we're coming over to set builders now, and we're going over to add a document, select from the workspace, we have our all documents and email search, which is just basically list view. We could call the same search list view as well, and that shows us everything. So if you create that, you can really add that list view. So when you're saving things, you can just scroll through it and see everything.